Step 1. Plug in the air pressure tubes at both ends. Step 2. Check whether the air pressure is within the normal range, 0.4–0.6 megapascals. Step 3. Open it upward, and turn it clockwise to increase the air pressure. Step 1. Prepare the copper mold ready for installation. Step 2. Remove the mold table to facilitate the installation of the copper mold. Step 3. Install the copper mold on the mold table. Step 4. Align the copper mold with the mold hole, and rotate the screw to lock it. Warm reminder: the copper mold should be kept loose to facilitate the next step. Step 4. Align the copper mold with the mold hole, and rotate the screw to lock it. Warm reminder: the copper mold should be kept loose to facilitate the next step. Step 5. Turn on the temperature power switch. Step 6. Press the downward pressure button to connect the upper and lower copper molds together. Step 7. Tighten all the screws on the copper mold. Step 8. Copper mold installation completed. Step 1. Pressure to left to close the air. Step 2. Push the glue injection head into the glue injection hole of the jig. After it is in place, tighten the glue injection head fixing screw. Step 3. Pressure to right to open the air. Step 4. Adjust the air pressure within 0.6–0.70 megapascals. Step 5. Press the Advance button and check whether the injection head is aligned with the copper mold hole. Step 6. Install the mold table. Step 7. Turn on the temperature switch. Set machine temperature to 170 degrees. Step 8. Insert the silicone block into the sleeve hole to prevent the light strip from short-circuiting. Step 9. Load the product into the fixture accordingly, and check whether it is installed in place. Step 10. Press the Start 1 and Start 2 buttons with both hands at the same time. The equipment will enter glue injection and hot pressing. After the hot pressing is completed, the cylinder will rise, and the product can be taken out. Warm reminder: the glue injection time can be adjusted according to the size of the plug and the degree of curing. If you do not use the machine for a long time, lead the glue in the mixing tube hardens and cannot work properly. At this time it is necessary to replace a new mixing tube. Tools used: wrenches, screwdrivers, injection hoses. Step 1. Open the machine panel. Step 2. Loosen the screws on the side of the fixed table. Step 3. Use a wrench to loosen the mixing tube screw, and remove it. Step 4. Rotate and remove the metal fixture of the dispensing head. Step 5. Take out the bottom firmware. Step 6. Replace with new mixing tube. Warm reminder, if the injection head is clogged, it needs to be cleaned. Step 7. Rotating glue injection head fastener locking. Step 8. Install the mixing pipe nut into the valve body and rotate to secure. Step 9. Align the injection head with the copper mold, and tighten the screws and nuts. Step 10. Installation completed. Step 1. Click timing to enter the time setting menu. Just keep the parameters as default. More bigger the end cap is, more time is needed. The holding time when A and B silicone heating up, more time when bigger end cap is injected. Warm reminder, the glue injection time can be adjusted according to the size of the plug and the degree of curing. Step 1. If you do not use the machine for more than 2 days, it is recommended to drain the glue from the mixing tube first. To avoid hardening of the glue, a new mixing tube needs to be replaced. Step 2. Press and hold the dispense button to drain excess glue from the mixing tube.